Struggling to get people sign up for your lead magnet, or maybe they sign up but never engage? You're not alone. Most coaches make the same crucial mistake that kills their lead funnels before even starts. In this video I'm going to show you the most common lead magnet problems and exactly how to fix them, so you can build a funnel that not only attracts leads but turns them into paying clients. Here's what you're going to learn today. The top mistakes their coaches make with their lead magnets, how to structure a high converting lead funnel step by step, and how to build trust and give a massive value before you even selling anything. Stick with me, because if you avoid these mistakes, you will have a lead funnel that actually works. We help our coaches create or fix their bad lead funnels and get more signups, engagement and conversion. This method works, and by the end of this video you will have a clear system to start generating leads and turn them in real clients. Step number 1, the most common lead magnet mistakes. Mistake number 1, too broad and generic. Your lead magnet needs to solve a specific problem for a specific audience. If it's too broad, people won't see it as value. The fix is: identify your ideal client's biggest pain point and create a highly targeted lead magnet around it. Mistake number 2, not a clear next step. Many coaches stops at the freebie and don't guide their leads to the next step. The fix: have a follow-up sequence that nurtures the leads and direct them to a paid offer. Mistake number 3, overcomplicating the offer. Long, overwhelming PDFs or courses can feel too much work. The fix: keep it simple. A cheat sheet, checklist, or a short video guide works the best for quick wins. Mistake number 4, not having a strong offer or transformation. If your lead magnet doesn't promise a clear transformation or outcome, people won't see the value in signing up. And the fix: make sure your offer is compelling and solves a real pain point. And for this, I highly recommend reading the $100 million offer by Alex Hormozi to learn how to create a grand slam offer that people can't resist. Mistake number 5, no trust building before selling. Jumping straight into selling without nurturing the leads first can scare them away. The fix: use value-driven emails and content before presenting your paid offer. Give as much value away as possible, so it's for them a no-brainer to work with you as they build trust. Step number 2, the structure of high converting lead funnels. A great lead funnel has 4 key steps. First, lead magnet, a high value freebie that solves a specific problem. Landing page or funnel, a simple compelling page that clearly explains the benefits and collecting their email. An email nurture system, a series of 5 to 7 emails that give value first before selling anything. Then it comes to the call to action. After providing value, smoothly transition them into your paid offer, coaching, membership or your course. Step number 3, the value first approach. Give before selling. People buy from those they trust. Instead of rushing into a pitch, focusing on educational content, videos, blog posts or emails that truly helps them. Then success story or testimonials to build credibility. Engagement and interaction. Social media, Q&As, free live sessions, community platforms, and so on. Only after you have provided massive value should you introduce your offer positioned as the next logic step to reach their goals. Now that you know how to fix your lead magnet and structure a high converting funnel, the next step is learning how to craft a powerful video sales letter, aka VSL, that actually sells your coaching. Click the video on the screen now and I will show you the exact framework I use to turn leads into paying clients. See you over there.